Welcome back. Here is the peach tree from the previous video, and I discovered an animal got to one of the peaches, so before there's any more damage done to the remaining fruit, I'm gonna pick them off. Brought a basket and a hand pruner. The fruit is mostly ripe, and when there's a slight breeze I can smell the peaches. Some of the branches here are ready to snap, so I picked a good time to get these off. The color on these is really nice. They almost look fake. But I assure you they're not fake, and I'll show you what they look like in a minute. Gonna figure out what the best method to get these off without damaging them. They have a really short stem, so I'm gonna try either clipping them off or twisting them off. I'll start on this side, and we'll go from here. So this first one was damaged by the hand pruner, so I don't think I'll be using this. The stems are really short, which is why it's hard to clip them off. But otherwise, yeah, I'll just have to eat this one first. Here I'm just gonna pull them just with my hand. And that looks like a clean break, so I'm just gonna pull the rest of them off exactly like this. Kind of hard to show while holding the camera, but you get the idea. Pull them directly off the tree toward your body, I guess, if that makes sense. And another clean break. Alright, making progress here. So I have not noticed a single bug bite on these peaches, which is a good sign that the organza bags kept them out. And here is the tree fully harvested. 2 damaged peaches on top of the basket, which I'll be eating first. And we're going to bring this inside to weigh it. I have about 26 peaches, I want to say. There are varying sizes, from small to medium to large. I'm not sure how big these are supposed to get, as this is the first time I've harvested this variety. Although I liked using the bags, realistically I can't do this when the tree gets bigger. So I'm thinking about using kaolin clay, I think it's called, and low toxicity organic pesticide. Still will be better than grocery store fruit, which has tons of pesticides. Anyway, here is the basket. All in all, we have about 6 pounds, or 2.72 kilograms of peaches off this tree. Not bad for the first year's harvest.